Dr. Subramanyam is a man of Samaritan and empathetic. He is always at the support of people. He never hesitate to help anyone else. When I joined GDC, he was the first friend of mine. We moved closer. People call us Tom and Jerry for both of us. In fact, my wife also says to me, ఇప్పటిదాకా సుబ్రహ్మణ్యంతో మాట్లాడినావు, మళ్ళీ ఫోన్లో ఇంకేం మాట్లాడుతుంటుంది, మా వైఫే అంటుంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఆయనతో ఫోన్ చేయకపోతే పొద్దు గడవదు. దట్ ఈస్ మై రిలేషన్షిప్. అండ్ రియల్లీ ఒక బ్రాహ్మణ్ కమ్యూనిటీలో అతను ఒక గొప్ప వ్యక్తి. ఒక పేద కుటుంబం నుంచి వచ్చి ఒక గొప్ప పదవిని అలంకరించి, బహుశా నిన్న 9 వరకు కూడాను ఒక ప్రొఫెసర్ స్కేల్ గురించి బహుశా God has given such opportunity. Definitely he will be called Professor Subramanyam, not Dr. Subramanyam. Really, he always helps. That's why God helps him in all aspects. Never hesitate for doing anything. I told you, empathetic. People we call empathy. The people who feel sympathy always expresses, but he is empathetic. He fits into the boots of that character and helps without any hesitation. Really, he is a deserving person. Really was expecting some more extension till yesterday, that is midnight of 30th June, but probably I think that is not done. But he will be promoted as a professor. Really, we, Subramanyam and myself, is a good decision maker and executor. Once a decision is taken, he implements it. His contribution to the college is immense, which cannot be measurable. Right now, the building which sanctioned under PM Usha, credit goes to him only. He and his team of members. Really, for that cause, we need to appreciate. That is very fantastic thing. As a staff club secretary, I think he maintained a very wonderful and fantastic relations with all the people. కానీ అప్పుడప్పుడు అలుగుతుంటాడు సుబ్రహ్మణ్యాన్ని. నేను అదే అంటుంటాను, అలుగుతాడు సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం, అలిగిండు అని. అలిగితే ఆయన బతిమలాడాలిగా. ఆయన ఏదో అలక పాన్ పెక్కినట్టు ఉంటుందా అలుగుడు అప్పుడప్పుడు. సో ఆ ఒక్క చిన్న మేము అదే అంటుంటాము, ఎప్పుడు అలుగుతుంటాడు, మళ్ళీ 2 నిమిషాలే కోపం ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ పోతుంది అది. రియల్లీ ఎ మ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ రియల్లీ వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఇనిబిషన్స్. రియల్లీ వి feel proud, Subramanyam, to have a good friend of mine. In nowadays, at this age, I was so close to him, which can't be actually explained. That's why I wish Dr. Subramanyam, his wife, say Nagamanagar, and his family members a fantastic, wonderful post-retirement life. Thank you, Dr. Subramanyam. Thank you, Anita Madam, for giving an opportunity to speak here.